Hello everyone, welcome back to our course. So in the last class, what we saw multiple if statements. If you need to check the multiple conditions, what do you use? We have this elif clause and it comes very handy when you have multiple conditions. So we did one practice problem which was to check whether the number is positive, negative or equal to 0. Since I have three conditions which need to be checked, so what I did, I used the elif clause, right? So in the next practice example, what we have to do, you have to form a simple calculator using the if else statements and take input from the user. So very interesting, very simple, and again let us see how you do it. So I'll definitely help you out, but what I want from you all is to first of all try this on your own, right? Do it on your own and then look at the solution. So for the calculator, what I'll do, let me take a float number. Enter first number. So for num2, float, input, and enter second number, right? Yes. So now we are supposed to perform certain calculations. So what I'll ask a user is to choose any operator. Operator is equal to string. I'll take it in the form of a string. Input, enter operators amongst, enter any operator amongst, plus, plus, minus, multiplication. So I'm dealing with just the basic operations which are in the calculator. You can also use other operations also, okay? So you have to choose. I'm asking a user to choose between any of these operators, right? Right. Okay. So now let us see how we do it. If operator equals plus print result is num1 plus num2. Okay, so I'll not write the entire thing, but we'll see if this thing really works. Yes. Right, enter the first number 3, 4, any operator. I'll take this plus, the result is 7.0. Perfect. So we are on the right track, students. So this is how you code, you do not have to write entire thing in one go. Just write in small snippets and see if you face any error. Okay, if you're not facing any error, verify, right? And next I'll proceed with elif, and I'll just keep on copy pasting it. Elif, if the operator is negative, the result is this negative. Then elif, if the operator is a multiplication operator, I will multiply these numbers. Oops. elif here I can copy paste. Okay, if it's a division operator, we will perform a simple division, right? Now let us see if it really works. Do we have some errors or is it going very fine? Let us see. First number 4, next number 1, I'll choose the division, right? That's 4.0. so students, I think it's working pretty fine for me. So inside these, let us try to do with another inputs. Sample.py, I'll choose 5, then I'll choose 3, then I'll choose again division. So this is the result for it. And how about, okay, so these are the very simple calculations, student. So what I'll show you, how about the second number is chosen as 0. These were the very simple calculations, plus, minus, multiplication and division. And how about if I write the second number as 0? Do you think we have anything of this form 5 divided by 0? Does this hold true in mathematics? No, this thing does not hold true in mathematics. So what I'll do, I'll make certain changes. Just keep on saying. For the last condition, what I'll do, I'll check for if the number, if num2 equals 0, print second num can not be negative, right? So it cannot be negative, and right. So I have this one simple statement, and else. I can write it under else print this. Perfect. So what I've done is, this is the condition of the nested if else statement. So inside if, I have used another if else. So it will check first condition, and under that condition, if you have certain sub condition, that a nested if else will take care of that condition. So in our case, we know that a division with 0 cannot take place. In that case, what will happen? We will come inside this scenario, this case, the nested if else. It will check for if the number is 2 is equals 0, print second number cannot be negative. Oh sorry, it cannot be 0, my bad. It cannot be 0. If it's not 0, then we will have a simple result. Now I'll show you how it works. Let me save it. Yes, let us try to run this code. First number is 3, and knowingly I'm writing it to 0. So yes, now you know that this thing has been taken care of. The number cannot be 0. If how about I do not do it like this. I'm commenting this entire thing, and if I do not use this piece of code, what will happen? 3 and 0. Okay, so this will automatically give me error. Now what this error is, this is a 0 division error. Now this is something has been checked by the interpreter itself. That the float division by 0 has occurred. So in order to avoid this error, we wrote this piece of code. Okay, I hope this thing now makes sense to you. So now congratulations, this can be a very small application. If you want to build your own calculator application, you can do it on your own. You know the math module. If you want to go for square roots, you want to go for absolute values, we have many other functions available in the math module. What I suggest you all is to look out for all those functions inside math modules and try to elaborate this calculator even more, right? I hope you are good to go and you feel more confident while you are programming. And yes, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.